Namaskar. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is imperialism. Imperialism, state policy, practice or advocacy of extending power and dominion, especially by direct traditional acquisition or by gaining political and economic control of other areas, because it always involves the use of power, whether military or economic or some subtler form. Imperialism has often been considered morally reprehensible, and the term is frequently employed in international propaganda to denounce and discredit an opponent's foreign policy. Imperialism in ancient times is clear in the history of China and in the history of Western Asia and the Mediterranean, an unending succession of empires. The tyrannical empire of the Assyrian was replaced by that of the Persians, in strong contrast to the Assyrian in its liberal treatment of subjected peoples, assuring it long duration. It eventually gave way to the imperialism of Greece when Greek imperialism reached an apex under Alexander the Great. A union of the Eastern Mediterranean with Western Asia was achieved. But the cosmopolis, in which all citizens of the world would live harmoniously together in equality, remained a dream of Alexander. It was partially realized when the Romans built their empire from Britain to Egypt. This idea of empire as a unifying force was never again realized after the fall of Rome. The nations arising from the ashes of the Roman Empire in Europe and in Asia on the common basis of Islamic civilization pursued their individual imperialist policies. Imperialism became a divisive force among the people of the world. Track the League of Nations' continual failure to check via diplomacy the Axis powers' pre-World War II rise. The 1930s consisted of many individual but significant events that bound the Axis powers and culminated in a world war. Encyclopedia Britannica Incorporation. See all videos. 3 periods in the modern era witnessed the creation of vast empires, primarily colonial, between the 15th century and the middle of the 18th, England, France, the Netherlands, Portugal, and Spain built empires in the Americas, India, and the East Indies. For almost Portugal and Spain built empires in the Americas, India, and the East Indies. For almost a century thereafter, relative calm in empire building reigned as the result of a strong reaction against imperialism. Then the decades between the middle of the 19th century and World War I were again characterized by intense imperialistic policies. Get exclusive access to content from our 1768 first edition video subscription. Subscribe today. Russia, Italy, Germany, and United States and Japan were added as newcomers among the imperialistic states, and indirect, especially financial, control became a preferred form of imperialism. For a decade after World War I, the great expectations for a better world inspired by the League of Nations put the problem of imperialism once more in abeyance. Then Japan renewed its empire building with an attack in 1931 upon China. Under the leadership of Japan and the totalitarian states, Italy, under the fascist party, Nazi Germany, and the Soviet Union, a new period of imperialism was inaugurated in the 1930s and 40s. In their modern form, arguments about the causes and value of imperialism can be classified into four main groups. The first group contains economic arguments and other turn around the question of whether or not imperialism pays. Those who argue that it does not to the human and material resources and the outlets for goods, investment capital, and surplus population provided by an empire. Their opponents, among them Adam Smith, David Ricardo, and J.A. Hobson, often assert that imperialism may benefit a small favored group but never the nation as a whole. Thank you.